that's how we got our object. So that's it for this video. We'll probably see you in another video with more of the parts models or maybe some assemblies. Till then, goodbye. Namaste everyone. In this video we will create this particular part. You can see all the dimensions are present here, and if you see over here, you can see that it is the shape of a glass, which water can be filled out. All right, so there are multiple ways to create this. Let us see. So all right, okay, so let's go ahead and first set the working directory. I'm selecting it in desktop, in a folder of my name. Okay, I'll choose a new file, go with part model, give it name Q4 question 4. Okay, so I'll have to create the sketch on this plane, but what do I want to create it as? You can see that this object that we have here is an object of revolution, so we'll have to use the option of revolve, and also we can see that it is having a constant thickness of 5 mm. So there are two ways to create it. One way is to, of course, draw this entire cross section on one side of the axis, and in a single revolve you will get the entire shape that you want. The second way to do is you will create it as a solid, and then use an option here available called as the shell command to remove it and leaving a particular thickness of your choice on it. So I'll use the second method first using the shell command. So I'll choose this plane, click on revolve. If it doesn't reorient it automatically, you just have to click on this button. Now we are ready to create the cross section. So let me take the line command, start here, click somewhere here, and I'll just create a rough outline of the model. You can see I've not created this particular thickness over here because my aim is to get this thickness by way of using the feature of shell. Okay, so now that this is done, I'll just need to place an axis. So axis, I'll have to place it here in the center, and when you click the mid mouse button, wherever you had radii, distances from the axis, they will now convert automatically to distance, the total distances or diameters. So this length I want is 50. It's not changing because of this this angle over here. Here we don't have the angle, so I'll have to create this height. Click mid mouse button. You can see the angle is now gone, so this height is 200, and now I'll be easily able to change this dimension. And the lower one is this is not directly given, so I'll have to first apply a fillet over here. Let's go to fillet. Apply a fillet between these two lines. The fillet is of radius 15 with mouse button. This is the distance this is the distance from the center. We want the distance from here as 56, and we also want the radius. Radius, we can see it is not existing over here. So first let me create the radius. Click this center mid mouse button and change this to 15. All right, no need to worry, we'll get this back. Let's drag it out here, and then you want to divide, this should be 56. It's not 56, this lower one. Okay, so we'll have to create another dimension from this point till the axis, mid mouse button. I think that was correct. The side is defined. We need to define this one as well. Let this It's not kind. Click this button, this one, click mid mouse button, and then click on this, left click, and you will get option for diameter. So this diameter needs to be 150, and this distance needs to be 56. Right, this is 15, so be 200, and we have already placed the axis, so it will automatically revolve. You can see that we are getting a solid object over here like this. Next, we will use shell command. Remove the top face and leave a thickness. Thickness can be defined here. So this is the thickness. We want it to be 5 mm. And one thing you observe here is that the thickness is added on the inside. That is what we want, because the outside lengths have been defined and we want the thickness on the inside, and the thickness has to be 5. If it is going on the outside, you just check it and you can just flip it. Sometimes it goes on the outside, so you just have to flip it on the inside to get the thickness over here like this. So click OK to complete this. Now we can see that the object that we wanted has been defined properly. So just have to save it, and that's it. Click OK.